Humans are on an epic search to discover alien life, but we might be going about it all wrong. Astrophysicists at Harvard and Oxford recently had an unsettling revelation. The right question may not be where should we look for alien life, but when. It's possible that the universe could eventually be teeming with intelligent aliens, but none of those beings have been born yet, and humans are a bizarre exception that formed billions of years prematurely. That's what astrophysicists concluded after examining a key ingredient for life: stars. Stars like our sun and smaller last longer than more massive stars. In turn, this provides life ample time to form and evolve intelligent species. So assuming that life prefers Earth-like planets around smaller stars, the astrophysicists calculated the probability of when intelligent life might arise, only to discover that the prime time for intelligence is billions of years from now, when the universe is 10 to 1,000 times its current age. By that time, our sun will have cooked planet Earth to a crisp, forcing humanity to thrive elsewhere in the solar system and beyond. Perhaps one day, humans will be the ones inside of flying saucers that visit other worlds.